welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. This evening I'm actually filming two videos, so you may see this look in another video, but hopefully there'll be enough space in between that you forget. But anyway, this evening I'm actually going to be reviewing some new liquid highlighters. I was so fortunate to be sent these in the post by Bali Body. These are their brand new glow sticks and I have all three of them, and the shades are Sunkist, Rose Gold and Moonlit, which I am super excited to share. You guys know how much I love a liquid highlighter. Some liquid highlighters kind of make me feel a bit ooh, because some of them are so powerful that I just don't know how to work them well. But I am super excited to try these because they don't seem so scary. But they're also looking so beautiful. So let me show you them. So the first one is Sunkist. It's a gorgeous, deep, rich, goldy colour, which is, I'm all over. I love a gold highlighter. It kind of, yeah, perfect. Then they have Rose Gold, which is super pretty. Shimmery dreams right there. It's so nice. I hope you can see that. I think that would look lovely in like your inner corner, your brow bone. That for me is probably potentially too light as a highlighter, but would work so well like as an eyeshadow or just to complement like on your nose and your cupid's bow. Gorgeous. I think I'll still try it though, because you just don't know. And then finally we have Moonlit, which is so beautiful. And I think this is just, this and Sunkist are just what dreams are made of, really. It's so subtle, but it's so beautiful. So today I'm actually going to try out, I'm going to put Moonlit in my inner corners because I think that's going to be really cute with my like bronzy eye look. And then I'm going to put Sunkist on my cheeks, and then I might try the Rose Gold maybe in my cupid's bow to see if it worked, or if not I'll pop it on like on my collarbone just to show you the shimmer. And I have my Brush Junkie highlighter brush just to obviously work that in. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off, I think, with my cheeks. So let's do that. I haven't put any blusher on yet because normally I do my highlighter first and then I add some blusher. So I'll do that and then I'll add blusher later and show you the final look. Take it. I really love the applicator and I love Bali Body packaging. It's so cute. I'm just going to dab where I want the highlighter. So just there. I'm just going to pat that in. Oh wow. It goes in, look at that. Woo. It goes in so nicely. And with this brush, it obviously pats on so well. I actually have a discount code for all Brush Junkie brushes. I'll pop it here and I'll put it in my description box below. You get 40% off all of their products just with the code that they've given me. But yeah, it's so nice with to put your highlighters in. It's just beautiful. But that is a stunning highlighter. That suits my skin tone so well. It's gone on so nice. It's not patchy. Oh wow, I'm going to add a bit more. You have to be quick, I think, because it might dry. I don't want it to dry down. I'm going to add a bit on my cheek as well. But wow. There you go. That's beautiful. Put a bit here as well. Blend. That's insane. How gorgeous is that? Oh wow. Right, let's see the other one. We've got to make them even. That is just stunning. Like, I can't get over that. Like, what? That is just, wow, 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 wow. That's probably one of the best highlighters I've ever used. That's gorgeous. I might put the rose gold one like here, so you still see the full effect of that one, but oh, Sunkist. That's so gorgeous. I'm just gonna pop my blusher on quickly. Right, so now I'm gonna put Moonlit in my inner corners. I'm just gonna zoom you in to show you. I'm just gonna use my Brush Junkie eyeshadow brush for this. So I'm going to take it. Actually, don't think I even need a brush, but because it's quite subtle on me anyway, because I think obviously it's for a lighter skin tone, but I think that is really cute. It kind of just wakes your eyes up a little bit, just makes them look a little bit brighter. That's really sweet. The only one left to try is, of course, the rose gold. So I'm going to just pop that on my collarbones, just because I feel it's necessary to have a bit of highlight. Let's get that glow in. Look at that. Look at the difference. Oh, lovely. You know what I like about it? It's not shimmery. I find a lot of highlighters just go really shimmery, and that's what they think a highlighter, what the glow is, but this is dewy. It's just really nice. It's hard to do the other the other shoulder. Right, let's try. Just blend that in. Bring it down, bring it up my neck as well. Shoulders. This brush really works it in well as well. I'll bring it down. Oh, I'm just glowy. Oh, that is just so pretty. I think that would be really nice on the face as well, like with with a less of a bronzy look. I think that would look really cute if you're just having a bit more of a natural, you know, very subtle makeup look and you just want a little bit of a glow. Beautiful. Wow. I love them. They're just so nice. Thank you so much, Bali Body. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. That Sunkist one is just everything. So you guys, this is the finished look. Those highlighters are everything. Absolutely everything. Like the Sunkist one is my all-time favourite. It just brings that dewiness, that glow. It just gives you a look. Like I love it. Like I really love all three, to be honest. I think they're amazing, but I think the Sunkist for me is exactly what I've been looking for in a highlighter. It's got the colour, it's got the depth, it's got the dewiness, it's got the application. I just really, really love it. It doesn't feel tacky, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't kind of smudge off on top of your, well, for me it was my tinted moisturiser. Obviously it doesn't smudge, it's lovely. Like, they're just so nice. They're so good, and they cost £25.95 each. They obviously ship to the UK as well, which is amazing. And I'll put them here on the screen for you so you can have a look, and I'll link their website in my description box below. I just love them. They're so nice, and it also says if you sign up you get 10% off, which everyone loves a discount. I mean, come on, I do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a new highlighter, definitely check out Bali Body. I would really recommend them. I've had nothing but great experiences with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye!